So if you've seen any of my other videos on cameras, you know that I really like smart home cameras and security setup cameras, outdoor cameras. Today I'm installing this one by Tapo. I've got a couple of other Tapo products inside, so I wanted to try this camera. I've kind of cycled through some others and I wanted to try something new. This is a 1080p camera and it's a fixed camera, but it is solar, so I'm hoping it will give me what I need to cover my outdoor area around my driveway and my garage. There's a proverb that says this, that the integrity of the upright guides them. The integrity of the upright guides them, and I think that that's pretty cool because when we're reviewing a product like this, I want to be a person of integrity and to be real with you and to tell you what's good about it, what I like, and whether or not I actually think it's worth the price. Hopefully that's true in all my videos, but I will say that just as a reminder, hey, this is real. I'm not just doing this to make a video. I want to review a product that I can actually recommend, and I'm hoping this will be one as we go through this. So technically it's the Tapo C402 kit, and the reason it's a kit is it comes with the solar panel. So the more I've used outdoor cameras, the more I've come to appreciate the wireless version of having a solar panel as part of the system. And so when I was looking to try out a new one, the Tapo camera was very appealing to me, to again have a camera which doesn't need to be connected in any way. Now there are advantages to having a connected camera, and I think if you are familiar with the power over Ethernet hookups that are coming out now, I think that's going to become more and more part of what people are using because of the ease of doing that. But for now, connecting by Wi-Fi and using a solar panel, I think is the way to go. So fairly standard size solar panel here for cameras of this nature. And here's the actual camera itself. It's a very smooth, nice design. Got a couple of hookups. You can hook it up here or mount it here. Figuring out where you're going to install it may be more important than the actual installation. So because it has a solar panel, you do want it to get some sunlight. However, it's not going to need a ton. It just needs some light really to keep the battery charged up, and then you're going to plug it in here. The installation is going to happen through the Tapo app. So Tapo is a division of TP-Link, but it's a new line of products, and the app is easy. It's going to guide you through setup. I like to do this indoor. You can do it wherever, but just for ease of comfort and screen, being able to see it, I did it inside. So this is my first recording from the camera as I approach it, and we will compare here. Of course, you're seeing my phone recording in this view. You can see that it's obviously detecting the person the most. I haven't done anything with the settings yet, so we'll see how that works. You may be getting a little bit of feedback. Let me turn the volume down here. See if I can keep that from happening. There may be many reasons for you to install a camera like this, but one of them is certainly going to be if it picks up someone at night and you want to be able to identify them and potentially be able to recognize a face. So I'm doing a zoom on both of these, the first with more light, the second with no light at all. So I don't know if I recognize myself. Just a brief glimpse of what the app can do here. When you open the camera in the app, you're going to see the live view of the camera, and then you can make several different adjustments to the settings in terms of what it's going to record, how long it will record, the quality. You can block out an area if you need to for privacy. You can adjust the length of recordings, and it's a useful app. It does what it needs to do. There are not a whole lot of bells and whistles, so pretty basic, but I think it's functional to give you the best use of the camera. So with any product you're buying for your home, you're really looking for something that improves your quality of life. So it improves your enjoyment, improves your safety. And so in this case, it's a safety and security issue. And I think what you get with this camera matches up well with its value, its functionality, and then the camera to install, an easy camera to use. The images are clear enough. You're not going to get world-class quality with it, but it's a good camera, and at the price point, I would buy it again. I would recommend it. So hope this was helpful. The link below if you want to check the price, please do. Thanks for watching.